Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping General. This gives you access to device-level controls. Once in General, scroll deliberately to find Profiles and Device Management or VPN and Device Management. Apple moves this section only when a profile exists. If you don't see it, the phone likely has no configuration profiles installed. Make sure your device is unlocked and on a stable network, since some profiles appear only after enrollment or when a management server is reachable. Once you tap Profiles and Device Management, you'll see each installed profile listed. Select one to inspect details. Payloads show Wi-Fi, VPN, email settings, and certificates. Permissions reveal what the profile can control. This is where you verify issuer and expiration, because a trusted MDM can change many settings. If you intend to remove or modify a profile, make sure you understand which services will be affected, and note any required credentials or admin approval before proceeding. To complete, tap Remove Profile and follow prompts. You'll often need your device passcode to authorize removal. Once removed, restart the iPhone to ensure leftover VPN or Wi-Fi settings are cleared and certificates are unloaded. If the option is grayed out or removal fails, the profile is likely enforced by MDM. In that case, contact the issuer or your IT admin for unenrollment. If something breaks after removal, reinstall the needed profile or restore from a recent backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.